All of you mute your mic. Let us start the session. Today we are going to start revision number 3 of chapter number 1, number system. And in the previous revision we completed rationalization. Now in this we are going to start laws of exponents. हम लोग क्या क्या कर चुके हैं देख लो. We did this one and we discuss about some examples about this. और पिछले क्लास में रैशनलाइजेशन किए थे. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट्स. सो ये तीन ही सेक्शन है जिसमें बहुत क्वेश्चंस आते हैं एंड दिस थ्री सेक्शंस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट्स. सो लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट्स में एक सिंपल प्रॉब्लम है. आई विल टेल यू which type of question will come under simple problems. Second is simplification. The third one is proof related questions. And the fourth one is to find the value of the variable based on some given condition. So simple problem पिछले chart में नहीं था. And I will tell you which type of question will come. And let us revise the laws of exponents. You have already studied in class 7th also, class 8th also. So first, let a greater than 0, b greater than 0 be any real numbers, and let m and n be rational numbers. Then we have this is the first law. A to the power m into a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n, and this is the second division. A to the power m upon a to the power n is equals to a to the power m minus n. The third one is a to the power m whole to the power n is equals to a to the power m into n. And the fourth one, a to the power m into b to the power m. अगर पावर्स दोनों का सेम है और बेस सेम है, बेस अलग है, so a into b whole to the power m. And the fifth one is a b, इसी का रिवर्स है, कन्वर्स है, a b to the power m is equals to a to the power m into b to the power m. And the sixth one is a upon b whole to the power m is equals to a to the power m upon b to the power m. And the seventh one, this is the reciprocal law, a to the power minus n is equals to 1 upon a to the power n. So a to the power minus 1 will be a to the power minus 1 कितना होगा? 1 upon a
to the power 1.
1 upon a होगा. ओके. सिमिलरली इसका भी कन्वर्स हम लोग लिख सकते हैं. वी कैन राइट द कन्वर्स ऑफ दिस आल्सो. हाउ विल यू राइट? a to the power m upon b to the power m. If it is given in this form, then you will get a upon b whole to the power m. ओके. इसका उल्टा जैसा हम लोग ये वाला लिखे थे ना, दिस टू, वैसे ही. And the last one is a to the power 0. The value of a to the power 0 is 1. Okay, these are the laws in which we are going to use in these different types of questions. And let us start with the simple problem. This is the simple problem. Base are same and the powers are given. And so यहाँ पे हम लोग कौन सा रूल यूज करेंगे? a to the power m into a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n. So using the laws of exponents we have 3 to the power 3 by 4, 3 by 4 और प्लस 1 by 4 को हम लोग को ऐड करना है पावर्स. ओके. सो इसका एलसीएम क्या होगा? व्हाट इज द एलसीएम? 4 and the numerator will be 3 plus 1. So कितना होगा? 3 plus 1 upon 4.
4.
Final answer.
1 sir.
Okay. And which law we have used for this one? Arpita.
Sir, a to the power m into a to the
बाकी
power
लोग
n.
म्यूट करो, सिर्फ अर्पिता से पूछा हूं मैं. हाँ.
Sir, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n.
Right. Very good. Now mute your mic. So a to the power m into a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n. Now I just explained the sum of these two is 1. So 3 to the power 1 is equals to 3. Any doubt in this first example?
No sir.
Okay. This is simple.
No sir.
This is simple problem. One more problem we'll see based on division. ठीक है, यहाँ पर भी दोनों का बेस सेम है and we are dividing this two. So which property, which law we have to use here? एक मिनट, size was
Sir, a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n, sir.
very good. So using that law we have to subtract the powers. So जरा देख लो यहाँ पे, आप powers को मैं subtract कर रहा हूँ. 1/3 minus 1/6. So what is the LCM of the denominators?
6.
Sir, 6.
So यहाँ पे 2 आ जाएगा और यहाँ पे -1. So what is the final answer?
1/6.
1/6.
Right.
1/6.
So this will be equals to 5 to the power 1/3 minus 1/6, and we have seen the value of this is 1/6. So this is the final answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we'll see one more example. All these are simple problems only. See, simplify a 3 to the power 2/3 into 7 to the power 2/3. So what we are observing, base are different and powers are same. ठीक है, दोनों का पावर सेम है. So which property we have to use here? Which law? एक मिनट, एक मिनट, कौन है? रोहिणी. Which property you have to use?
A into B, A to the power m into B to the power m.
Is equals to?
A to the AB whole power n.
Very good. So a to the power m into b to the power n is equals to a to the a to the power m into b to the power m is equals to ab whole to the power m. So a into b, यहाँ पे 3 into 7 कितना हो जाएगा? 21 to the power 2/3. And this law we have used, जो भी बताए थे. So this is the final answer. Okay, now let us see one more question. Simplify 36 to the power 1/2. So हम लोग, ये 1/2 है तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, 36 को 2 के पावर में हम लोग लिखेंगे. कैसे लिखोगे 36 को 2 के पावर में?
6 to the power of 2.
The
6
minus
6 to the power 2. फिर ये दोनों into हो जाएगा. And which law we have to use for this?
A to the power n whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n.
Very good. So 2 into 1/2 will get 1 only. ठीक है, 2 cancel हो जाएगा and we'll get 1 only. And this law we have used. So final answer is 6. Right. Now one more example we'll see. 64 to the power 1/3. So 64 we have to write in power of 3. How will you write?
4 cube.
Yes, 4 cube. Right, very good. So 64 to the power 1/3 is equals to 4 cube to the power 1/3. Again, the same property we are using here. 3 into 1/3 हो जाएगा. Same law, and this 3 will be cancelled and we'll get 4 to the power 1, and that is 4. Okay, any doubt in this simple problems?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to do some simplification problem. See this question. This is the example of simplification. So how you have to do, you just see 81 को 4 के पावर में लिखना है. 16 also have to write in 4 power. 25 को भी 2 के पावर में लिखना है क्योंकि यहाँ पे 3/2 है. And 9 you have to write in power of 2. और यहाँ पे ऐसे ही रहेगा ये. So 81 को किस नंबर के पावर टू द पावर 4 लिखोगे? How will you write 81 in terms of the power 4?
3 to the power 4.
Very good. So 3 to the power 4. What about 16?
sir 2 to the power of
Very good. And 25 को स्क्वायर के फॉर्म में लिखना है तो 25
5 to the power
5
5 square.
5
and
square.
3 square.
3 square. Right. So now we are going to substitute the value. इसके जगह पे 3 to the power 4 और इसके जगह में 2 to the power 4. So ये this step is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
for this we have to use one law. कौन सा law use करेंगे? एक मिनट. प्रणव बिसेन.
Sir, a to the power m into
Upon
a to the power m into
अपॉन a to the power m अपॉन, पहले तो ये 4 निकालना है ना, you have to take 4 outside.
yes sir, a to the power m upon a to the power
b to the
m
power m, b to the power m.
e to the power m is equals to a to the power by
नहीं एक मिनट,
a by
Sir, can I?
हाँ चलो बोलो.
Sir, a to the power m by b to the power m is equal to ab whole power m.
a upon b whole to the
by
power m.
b, a by b whole
राइट
power m.
राइट राइट ओके. सो यहाँ से हम लोग 4 बाहर निकाल लेंगे और यहाँ से हम लोग 2 बाहर निकाल लेंगे. दिख रहा है यहाँ से?
Yes, sir.
ओके.
Yes, sir.
सो देखो 4 और ये 2 निकाल लिए बाय यूजिंग दिस प्रॉपर्टी. एनी डाउट?
No, sir.
Okay, now again one more law we have to use. We will multiply these two powers. उसके लिए कौन सा प्रॉपर्टी यूज करोगे? a to the power m whole to the power n is equals to a to the power m into n. So next step में ये दोनों powers multiply हो जाएगा. See, and this property we have used. Any doubt in this step?
No, sir.
Okay, now
No,
see,
sir.
this 4 cancel and this 2 cancel, and what is left over here? -3. यहाँ पे -3, right. So जो बचा हुआ उसको मैं लिख रहा हूँ. Now I want to remove this minus sign. How will you remove?
Reciprocal.
Right, very good. We have to take reciprocal. So ये हो जाएगा 2/3 whole to the power 3, and this will become 3/5 whole to the power 3, and this will become 2/5 whole to the power 3. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
the reason we have to write this one, this reason we have to write the reciprocal one. Okay, now see carefully. I want to remove this division sign. So what I will do?
Reciprocal.
we will take reciprocal.
Reciprocal of this one. Okay. ध्यान से देखो, उससे पहले यहाँ पे ये वाला प्रॉपर्टी यूज करेंगे. 2 to the power 3 upon 3 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3 upon 5 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power 3 upon 5 to the power 3. Now I am going to remove this division sign. This is by using this property. So division sign में reciprocal हो गया, ये दोनों cancel हो जाएगा. Okay. After cancelling this two, we'll get this one. इसमें भी ये दोनों cancel हो जाएगा और ये दोनों cancel हो जाएगा, and the final value is 1. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
एकदम systematically,
No,
if you solve one by one step, you will get the answer correctly. Okay, fine. Then we'll move towards the next question. This is also a very good question. Simplify 2 to the power 30 plus 2 to the power 29 plus 2 to the power 28, 2 to the power 31 plus 2 to the power 30 minus 2 to the power 29. Okay, so यहाँ पे देखो ध्यान से, which is the lowest power in numerator?
2 to the power of 28.
2 to the power 28. That we will take common. Okay, बाहर निकालेंगे. So यहाँ पे lowest power क्या है? What is the lowest power?
2 to the power
2 to the power 29.
29. So 2 to the power 29 we will take common from the denominator. Right. So यहाँ से जब common निकालोगे 2 to the 28 निकालेंगे तो 2 बचेगा here. 29 में से power 28 निकालेंगे तो 1 बचेगा, और ये यहाँ पे पूरा निकाल दिए तो +1. Similarly in the denominator also 2 power 2 power 1 and this will be 1. Clear है?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now see,
Yes, sir.
this will become 4 plus 2 plus 1, and this will become 4 plus 2 minus 1. So what is the value of these two?
7 by
5. 7 by 5. Okay. Now in the same step we will subtract these two, क्योंकि ये division में है और नीचे वाला बड़ा है, इसलिए हम लोग यहाँ नीचे subtract करेंगे. This property we have used, division 1. So what is the final answer? You tell me.
2 to the power 1.
ये तो 2 to the power 1 हो जाएगा. What is into 7 by 5 अगर करेंगे तो 7 by 5 into 1 upon 2.
7 by 10.
7 by
7
10.
by 10.
Right, 7 by 10 is the final answer.
Sure,
So,
right.
any doubt in this question? This is very good question.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Okay, fine. So then again we are going to do one more simplification question क्योंकि इसमें चार ही टाइप के questions हैं. So this is also very good question. This is a question given in a NCERT exemplar. Now see, I want to write in terms of power 3. How will you write?
8 to the power 3.
6 to the power 3, right? And 256 I want to write in power 4. यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर में जो भी रहेगा वही पावर पे लिखना है. So how will you write?
6 to the power 4.
No 6 to the power 4. 4 to the power
Sir, 4
what?
4 to the power 4, sir.
Right. And how will you write 243 in power of 5? 3 to the power 5. Okay. So now we are replacing. This is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in the next step you have to multiply these two. The powers you have to multiply. For this, which property you have to use? एक minute. Amrit. For this, which property you have to use? Multiply के लिए.
Sir, a to the power of m
Hmm?
whole power
N.
n to the power n by m.
A to the power m whole to the power n is equals to m a to the power m into n. Okay? Repeat. Amrit,
Sure.
repeat. A to the power m whole to the power n is equals to a to the power m into n.
A to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power m into n.
A to the power m into n. Okay. Mute कर लो अब. So we are going to do the product of these two powers. Okay. यहाँ प्रोडक्ट कर दें. Which property we have used? This one. Now see, जब हम लोग multiply करेंगे, this 3 will be cancelled, this 4 will be cancelled, and this 5 will be cancelled. So what is left over here? 6 to the power minus 2.
6 to the power of minus 2.
Here 4 to the power minus 3. Here 3 to the power minus 1. Okay. अब ये माइनस हटाना है मुझे. What I will do?
So reciprocal.
So
Right.
reciprocal.
We have to take the reciprocal. तो ये reciprocal लेंगे तो ये ऊपर चला जाएगा. Now whether this step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The reason you have to write this one. Okay. Now 4 into 36 plus 1 into 64 plus this 2 will become 6. So 144 plus 64 plus 6. What is the final answer?
206 216.
फिर से करो, फिर से ऐड करो. ये दोनों ऐड करने से 70 हो रहा है. देखो 200
Sir, 214.
214.
right, 214. So any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now we'll move towards proof related questions. Okay, proof related questions में first question ये है, prove that a to the power minus 1 upon a to the power minus 1 plus b to the power minus 1 plus a to the power minus 1 upon a to the power minus 1 minus b to the power minus 1 is equals to 2b square upon b square minus a square. Okay, so I want to remove this minus sign. Power minus वाला मुझे remove करना है. So what I will do?
Reciprocal.
Reciprocal लेना है. So left hand side में इसका reciprocal हो जाएगा 1 by a, 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by a, 1 by a, 1 by b. Left hand side only. So this step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what we have to do? We have to take LCM in the denominator. यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे LCM में denominator में LCM लेना है. So कैसे लेंगे बताओ? How will you take? What is LCM of these two? A and B.
A into B.
A into B.
A-
Right. यहाँ पर भी A into B होगा, and the numerator will get B plus A. Okay. Here B minus A. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
this is in division. So we have, if you want to write it in the form of multiplication, we have to take the reciprocal of this two. So reciprocal ले लिए. 1 upon A into AB upon B plus A. Second term 1 upon A into AB upon B minus A. इसमें A और A cancel हो जाएगा. Here also A and A will be cancelled, and will have only B by B plus A, B by B minus A. Now again we have to take LCM. So if we take LCM, we have to take the product of these two. Okay, and B into B minus A plus B into B plus A, the numerator. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now
Yes,
you
sir.
have to
Yes,
open the
sir.
bracket. You have to open the bracket. So B into B, B square minus AB. Next one, B square plus AB. The denominator will become, what is the denominator? If you multiply
B
this two.
square minus A square,
B
sir.
square
Very good.
minus
B
A.
square
B
minus A square.
Square.
So यहाँ पे देखो ये दोनों टर्म कैंसिल हो रहा है. So what you will get?
B square minus
2B square. By
B
2B
square plus
square
B
by-
square will become 2B square
by
upon,
minus A.
B
square
minus
देखो यही हम लोग का LHS था. So this is equals to 2B square upon B square minus A square is equals to RHS, और ये हम लोग का RHS था. Okay, any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
So let us move towards one more question. Prove that x to the power p upon x to the power q whole to the power p plus q, x to the power q upon x to the power r whole to the power q plus r, x to the power r upon x to the power p whole to the power r plus p. So we'll take LHS first. Now इसमें हम लोग क्या करेंगे? डिवीजन रूल अप्लाई करेंगे ये दोनों में, इन दोनों में भी, इन दोनों में भी. So what you will get? Which formula I'm talking about? Division rule. Law क्या है? अर्पिता?
Sir, a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n.
Okay, very good. So पूरे में तीनों में यही हम लोग अप्लाई करेंगे. So this will become x to the power p minus q, and this will become x to the power q minus r, and this will become x to the power r minus p. Whether this step is clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And which property we have used here? This one. Right. Now again we have to multiply these two. For that, which law we have to use? DVL Pranav.
Sir, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n.
Very good. So ये दोनों multiply हो जाएगा. This property we have used. Now what is the product of these two?
B square minus Q square.
P square minus Q square. And what is the product of these two?
Q square minus
Q square minus R square. What is the product of these two?
R square
minus p square.
R square minus P square. तो उसको लिख दिए. Again, अब ये सबका product base same है. ये product इसमें सारे base same है, x है, and the powers पूरे product multiplication में है. So which law we have to use for this one? Into में है, base same है.
A to the power
A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n.
Right. That rule is for either 2 or 3 numbers or 4 numbers. Okay, we have to add the powers. So according to that rule, now we are going to add the powers. This rule we have applied. So here minus q square plus q square cancel, minus r square plus r square cancel, and this p square minus p square will be going to get cancelled. So what we are going to get power में
X to the power of
X
0
to the
is
power
equals to 1.
x to
right,
the power 0 is equal to
x to the power 0, that is equals to 1, and this is our RHS. Okay, any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right, now we are moving towards the next category, that to find the value of the variable based on some condition. So see this question, x to the power 1 by 12 is equals to 49 to the power 1 by 24. Find the value of x. Okay, सिलेबस में nth रूट डिलीट हो गया है. nth रूट क्या होता है देख लो, ऑलरेडी मैं वो क्लास में बताया था. nth रूट ऑफ x, इट इज इक्वल्स टू x टू द पावर 1 अपॉन n. ठीक है, इस फॉर्म वाले क्वेश्चंस एग्जाम में नहीं आएंगे. क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
ओके,
सर तो इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस भी नहीं आएंगे एग्जाम में?
मैंने कहा इस फॉर्म में नहीं आएंगे. इस फॉर्म में आएगा तो यू कैन इक्वेट द पावर्स, यू कैन ऐड द पावर्स, यू कैन सबट्रैक्ट द पावर्स यूजिंग द लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट वेरेवर यू रिक्वायर्ड. इस फॉर्म में नहीं आएगा, nth रूट के फॉर्म में नहीं आएगा. जैसे मैं इसको ऐसे नहीं, मैं इस क्वेश्चन को अगर मुझे देना है तो मैं ऐसे भी दे सकता था. देखो ध्यान से, 12th रूट ऑफ x is equals to 24th root of 49. I can't give in this form because now it is deleted. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
ये
yes sir.
पावर के
Yes, sir.
फॉर्म में आ सकता है, बट इस फॉर्म में नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि ये वाले टॉपिक जो हैं वो इस एकेडमिक ईयर के लिए डिलीट हो चुके हैं. राइट, आई थिंक योर डाउट इज क्लियर.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Now what you have to do for this? What will be your first step? अगर इक्वालिटी में दोनों का बेस सेम है, you can compare the powers. If the powers are same, you can compare the base. So यहाँ पे x base है यहाँ पर. So what we will do? We will take to the power 12 on both sides. ठीक है, दोनों साइड 12 का पावर ले लेंगे ये 12 हटाने के लिए. वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. अगेन, which property we have to use for multiplying the powers?
A to the power n
Over m whole to the power n is equal to
a to the power m into n. Right. So अब नेक्स्ट स्टेप में ये दोनों कैंसिल हो गया, and we'll get the power 1 here, and here we'll get 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Okay. So x is equals to, this property we have used here, x is equals to 49 to the power 1 by 2. अब इसको दो तरीके से कर सकते हो. 49 to the power 1 by 2 root 49 होता है, otherwise you can write 7 square
7 to the power 2.
to the power 1 by 2. फिर उसके बाद ये फिर दोनों पावर्स को मल्टीप्लाई कर लो, then you can cancel it, this two. Or you can write x is equals to root 49, that is equals to 7. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
no sir.
Okay, this is very good question. Now let us see one more question. If 125 to the power x is equals to 25 by 5 to the power x, find the value of x. So how will you do this question? Here the power of x is given. The power is x in the left hand side, and right hand side का denominator में power x है. How will you do this question?
Sir, we can write 125 is equals to 5 cube.
Yes, 125 you can write 5 cube, and here also 25 you can write 5 square.
Square by 5x.
ठीक है, that means यहाँ पे बेस हम लोग का सेम है 5. तो क्या करेंगे हम लोग, दोनों साइड बेस 5 ही रखेंगे हम लोग. We will try to keep base 5 only. See, the left hand side, as you told, we will keep 5 cube. So that will become 5 to the power 3x in the next step. And 25 में बोला 5 square करेंगे और ये division rule apply करेंगे इसके लिए. So left hand side हो जाएगा 5 to the power 3x, and what will be the right hand side?
5 to the power of 2 minus x.
5 to the power 2 minus x. This step is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
both side base are same, so we'll compare the powers, and for this we have used two properties. देखो इसके लिए ये वाला प्रॉपर्टी यूज किए हैं और इसके लिए हम लोग ये वाला प्रॉपर्टी और लॉज यूज किए हैं. एक्चुअली मैं यहाँ पे लॉज वर्ड यूज कर रहे हैं, तो वी विल से लॉ. ओके, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू कंपेयर द पावर्स. सो 3x is equals to 2 minus x. Shift x to this side, minus x. This will become plus x. So 3x plus x will become 4x. What is the value of x?
1 by 2.
Right, 2 by 4, that is simplified to 1 by 2. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
अब last question. This is the last question of today's session. 5 to the power x minus 2 into 3 to the power 2x minus 3 is equals to 135. Now see carefully, we have two different base here, 5 and 3. So इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन में हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इसको भी हम लोग 5 और 3 के बेस के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे. सो 135 को क्या करेंगे, विल डू द फैक्टराइजेशन. सो हाउ विल यू राइट इन टर्म्स ऑफ 5 and 3 powers? 135. 135 जल्दी.
3 to the power 5.
देखो 135 इधर देखो, यहाँ पे मैं रफ कर रहा हूँ. 135 we can write 25 into 27 लिख सकते हैं.
Yes,
So
sir.
that means we can write 5 to the power 1
5 to the power of 1 into 3.
and 3 to the power 3. Clear? Okay. So we are going to write 135 in terms of 5 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 3. Now both sides we will compare the power of 5 and compare the power of 3. So after comparing we'll get this one. Now shift minus 2 to this side, it will become plus 2. और यहाँ पे minus 3 इस तरफ शिफ्ट करो, plus 3 हो जाएगा. दोनों से x का वैल्यू सेम आना चाहिए. आ रहा है कि नहीं चेक करो.
Yes, sir.
ओके, यहाँ पर भी 3 आ रहा है और यहाँ पर भी 3 आएगा, 6/2. So final answer is x is equals to 3. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Now let us move towards the last section. Which is the last section?
Assignment.
Assignment question.
Right. Now see, you have to send this assignment question in Google Classroom, right? जो G Suite का जो Google Classroom है, उसमें ये assignment questions भेजोगे. This is the simple problem, simplification, proof related question to find the value of variable based on the given condition. देखो ये इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन अभी किए थे हम लोग. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you very much. Okay, any doubt in today's class?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, I will upload after 3:10. You watch once again and do practice the questions what I solved in the regular classes. Okay, and complete the assignment questions and send me through Google Classroom.